everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Today I wanted to show you this polychromic kind of, multiple color rainbow kind of look. As we all know that summer's coming up, and this look has a lot of colors. It's very vibrant and it's very polychromic, which means it has a lot of colors. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please continue watching. I'm going to start off with the color Meadow right here. And I'm just going in to my inner corner right here and just blending that out. Now I'm going in with the yellow color. I'm going in with the color Yolk. And using a detail brush, I'm going to blend that with the green and kind of blend it outwards towards the middle. Going in with the orange color, I'm going to go in with orange right here. And using the same blending brush I used for the green, I'm going to apply that orange next to the yellow. Going in with the pink color, I'm going to go in with the color pink right here. Using a thin blending brush, I'm going to blend that out with the orange. As you can see, this is a little patchy over here. I'm just going to clean up that brush, the blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend all the colors together so that it does not look patchy. I'm going to be using a purple color, and I'm going to use this color right here. It's purple. Going in with the detail brush again, I'm going to apply that on the outer corner right here and then kind of blend it out with the pink. I'm going in with the blue color. I'm going to use the color Ocean right here. Now, before you apply the blue that we're going to be applying right now, you need to apply a tape because you don't want the blue to get all over your eye. So then apply that blue onto the end. And it's okay if you go kind of out because you have that tape protecting. Also drag the blue down to your lower line. Using a concealer and brush, I'm going to use this to create a cut crease. I'm going to use this black color right here and apply that to my lid. So we want this black to be fully contained, and because of that, you don't want it to go over these colors. So I'm going to take my blending brush that I've used already and kind of blend everything out, making sure it doesn't pass the crease. I'm going to use the shade Goodnight with a flat brush, and I'm going to apply that to my brow bone. I'm going to take whatever's left over on my flat brush and apply that to my lower line. I'm also going to line my waterline here. Right now you can remove the tape from your eyes. And I'm just gonna dust off all that excess and tape mark. So right now I'm going to apply a liquid liner to my eyes. Now I'm going to take a red liquid glitter liner and apply that on top of the liner that I've applied. Apply some false lashes. Apply mascara to your lower lashes. Apply a setting spray. While that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and apply some brow gel. Apply some highlighter. I'm using Becca Champagne Pop. Going in with the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette, I'm going to apply Toby right here, this orange. I'm also taking the hot pink right here and I'm going to blend that out with Toby. Apply a lip liner and some lip gloss. You guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Until my next video, everyone, stay safe and take care of yourselves. Goodbye.